Welcome to Guess the K-Pop Demon Hunter characters by Optical Illusion. Look closely, because things aren't always what they seem. Can your eyes catch the hidden characters? Before start, subscribe to channel for more quizzes. Who do you think this character is? Rumi.
Free game ramen!
Happy fans, happy
honeymoon!
Can you name the character hidden here? Jinu.
That's it for now. See you.
Guess which demon hunter shows up in this picture? Mira.
Now that's how I'm getting paid. Good up to your stage. I'm done.
Do you recognize this character? Zoe.
Lies try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place.
Would you rather? Saja Boys.
You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop.
Or Huntrix.
Better come right, better luck trying. Get into a level, cause you might die. Never the time, trying to start a battle. Bleeding is
Like if you Saja Boys fan, subscribe to the channel. If you Huntrix fan, which character do you see in this image? Demon.
I said the only ones dying tonight are your...
I'm sorry. What?
Can you figure out who this character is? Abby, Saja.
Refreshing. My little soda pop. You're all I can think of.
Who could this character be? Dr. Han.
Actually, I don't see. Very strange. You have lots of walls up.
Whoa.
Can you tell which character this is? Baby Saja.
The top, I'm gonna make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop. That's what I'm told, that it's getting hot.
Who is your favorite Huntrix member? Zoe.
To beat my face, make it cute and savage. Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us, hello. Knocking you out.
Rumi.
And now I'm shining like a butterfly. Oh, I would talk.
Mira.
Wow, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Good up to your stage. I'm done hiding.
Any idea who this character might be? Romance Saja.
넌 내 거야. 이미 알고 있잖아. 'Cause I need you to need.
Do you know the name of this character? Derpy. Who's hiding in this picture? Demon Demon Mystery Saja.
You can't look away. Don't you know I'm here to save you?
Take a guess who's this character? Bobby.
Hi, Bobby! Water, now! What a way to end the world tour! And that
Who is the leader of Huntrix?
Turn it up, it's going down. Huntrix show, that's how it's done, done, done. We hunt you down, dun, dun, dun.
Rumi? Which demon hunter do you spot here? Demon Rumi.
My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Who appears in this image? Mystery Saja.
No, not tonight. 지금 당장 날 봐, 시간.
Do you recognize the face of this character? Baby Rumi.
Yes.
So everything that has patterns?
Can you identify this demon hunter? Fan.
Bring? Your secret's safe with me.
Who is the leader of Saja Boys?
More than gold. Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul. I'm the only one who loves your sin.
Jinu. Which character is shown here? Rumi?
We're going up, it's our moment. You know together we're glowing.
Have you figured out who this is? Jinu and Rumi.
The past till it's waveless.
Guess the name of this character. Huntrix.
It's huge.
Who do you think we're looking at here? Demon Jinu. Rate the song.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you'll break down like what? It's a takedown, I'ma take you out and it ain't gonna stop. 정신을 놓고 던지 밟고 칼을 새겨놔. You'll be begging and crying, all of you dying, never miss my shot. I don't think
Any idea who this character might be? A demon air hostess.
What do you mean?
You're smiling all weird, watering plants with coffee, and those guys?
Can you tell which character this is? Sussy. Who's hiding in this picture? A lady.
Hundreds?
I can see why you're still single.
What?
See? Would never work.
Here.
Have you figured out who this is? Celine.
Golden Honmun. And now, that duty falls to you.
Do you recognize the characters? Huntrix.
How it's done, done, done. Run, we run the town. Whole world playing our sound.
How many K-pop Demon Hunter characters did you spot through the illusions? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next challenge.